So word on the street is that Sony might just drop their latest gem, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VI, real soon. This bad boy is the successor to the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, which made its debut back in May 2023. Now, the Xperia 1 V came packed with some serious power, boasting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, a beefy 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging, and a slick triple camera setup featuring a whopping 52-megapixel main sensor, alongside two 12-megapixel sidekicks. Now, while Sony's been pretty tight-lipped about this new release, some juicy deets about the Xperia 1 VI have been making the rounds online. A ex-user, Insider Sony, dropped a leaked image hinting that we might get the full scoop during a Sony event at Mobile World Congress 2024 on February 26th. And guess what? They even spilled the beans on the rear camera setup. Seems like Sony's sticking with the triple camera setup trend, but with a twist. The Xperia 1 VI is rumored to sport 348MP sensors, all decked out with Exmor T technology. Now, what's Exmor T, you ask? Well, it's this nifty tech that helps the camera capture more light and reduces pesky image noise, especially in low-light situations. Trust me, your nighttime photos are gonna be on point. So, diving into the camera specs, the main lens is packing a beastly Exmor T 1x1.4-inch sensor with a large f1.4 aperture. Translation? It's gonna slurp up all that light, perfect for those dimly lit scenes. Plus, with features like dual PD, AF, focusing on your subject is gonna be quicker than ever. It comes with a pixel size of 1.12 microns and a focal length of 48 mm. Moving on to the ultra-wide camera, we've got another Exmor T sensor in the mix, a 1x2.7-inch sensor, and offers a focal length ranging from 14 to 18 mm that's gonna nail those sweeping landscape shots. And let's not forget about another telephoto shooter, offering a focal length of 70 mm to 135 mm. It's expandable digitally up to 270 mm, delivering up to 3x optical zoom and 6x sensor crop zoom capabilities. Say cheese to those distant subjects. But hey, aside from the camera wizardry, what else are you hoping to see in the Xperia 1 Mark VI? Better design? Smoother software experience? Sound off in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.